Have you ever wondered if there's a digital gold mine out there just waiting for you to stake your claim? Well, the truth is there is. A world of opportunities exists online, ready to be tapped into. The question then becomes, how exactly can someone make money online? The first step towards making money online is finding your niche. Your niche is your specialized area of interest, something you're passionate about. It could be anything from graphic design to fitness consulting, from blogging about travel to selling handmade crafts. The key here is to find something you love and can offer to others in a unique way. Once you've identified your niche, the second step is to create a platform to share your product or service. This could be a blog, a website, a YouTube channel, or even an e-commerce store. The platform you choose will depend on your niche and the nature of your product or service. The third step is to develop a marketing strategy. This includes identifying your target audience, understanding their needs and interests, and creating content that resonates with them. Social media is a powerful tool for reaching your audience and building a community around your brand. Next, consider implementing a monetization strategy. This can take many forms, such as selling products or services, affiliate marketing, advertising, or even crowdfunding. The important thing is to choose a method that aligns with your brand and audience. The fifth step is to provide value consistently. The online world is competitive, and to stand out, you need to consistently offer something of value to your audience. This could be high-quality content, excellent customer service, or unique products. And finally, it's important to keep learning and adapting. The online world is constantly changing, and to stay ahead, you need to keep up with the latest trends and technologies. So to recap, making money online involves 6 key steps. Firstly, find your niche, something you're passionate about and can offer in a unique way. Secondly, create a platform to share your product or service. Thirdly, develop a marketing strategy to reach your target audience. Fourthly, implement a monetization strategy that aligns with your brand and audience. Fifthly, provide value consistently to stand out in the competitive online world. And finally, keep learning and adapting to stay ahead in the ever-changing digital landscape. Remember, making money online isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, effort, and persistence. But with the right approach, it's possible to turn your passion into a profitable online venture. So are you ready to stake your claim in the digital gold mine?